Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Ustrasana. Ustrasana is very useful asana because it associated with improving the bad posture in the body. And let us see what is the meaning of Ustrasana. Here Ustra, which means camel, Asana, which means pose, which in the Sanskrit. Let us see what are the contraindication of this pose. Do not perform if you have any injuries on your knees, shoulders, back and the neck. Let us see how to perform this Ustrasana step by step. Slowly stand on your knees. Make sure your knees apart and feet apart like this. From here, slowly stretch your arms forward in front of your chest. From here, slowly rotate your arm back side. Okay, slowly try to place your palms on the heels like this. Slowly, your hip is not in one line. Make sure try to push your hip forward and drop your neck back and stay there. Now slowly come back, raise your hands. If you can't able to lock your heels from your both hands, make sure try to tuck your toe inward like this. Same way you can try this modify variation. Same way, stretch your arms forward, rotate your arm, try to place your palms on the heels. Same way on the both leg, push your hip forward, drop your neck back and stay there. Make sure after performing the Ustrasana, try to perform the Shashankasana child pose. Now slowly come up. Yes, let us try the another modify version. Same way, open your knees, legs apart. Place your palms on the hip. Slowly roll your shoulder back. Push your hip forward and drop your neck back and stay there. Now slowly come back and same way relax in Shashankasana. Let us see what are the benefits of Ustrasana. Camel pose stretches the front part of the body including the chest, abdomen and quadriceps. This asana is beneficial for female body by opening up the pelvic area. This effect can be linked to reduce the menstrual pain in the abdomen, ovaries and etc. This pose is a great and positive impact on our glands like adrenal glands, thyroid and pituitary gland. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. See you on another video. Till then, take care and namaste.